At Ecorich Solutions, we are solving the problem of food waste mismanagement and soil degradation among small-scale farmers in Kenya and Africa. Our technology is 10 times faster than the traditional way of doing it. We're able to convert the food waste within 24 hours, and we're able to get a nutrient-rich organic fertilizer for our farmers. We are targeting different countries that are experiencing the problem of waste crisis, and we believe with our compact mobile waste bots that can be placed anywhere waste is produced, we can convert that food waste every day to organic fertilizer. Our 5-year dream is to have our waste bot being used across the globe.
Food waste is a resource, so see it in a positive way and you will make something out of it.